stop crying and that it was just a game, and then he said that because they won, that means the Swifties also won, and then he just ran off a bridge. And it seems like a very over-the-top reaction, if you ask me. So, ladies, you single? No, actually. You sure? Well, not as of 5 seconds ago. I'm not that repulsive, aren't I? Well, time to go on to the next girl. Even when you're 1% nicer, you still can't get a date. Yeah, you're probably right, but that's not gonna stop me from trying. Right. What a nice view. Hey, I offer you a boyfriend. Yeah. I'm okay. I might not be okay. I mean, why even trying anyway? Why am I even trying? Yeah. It's not like you're much of a people person anyway. Well, to answer that question, it's because I'm bored with things, bored of how things are and how they are. Been doing the same thing for years. I know I'm not a people person, but there's only so much time you can spend torturing your friends before you start to want more. You want love. Simp. Nah, just one more. Don't call me a simp. I'm loving tonight. Aren't you loving it, Kenji? We just met. Yeah. Can I offer you like a mate, you know? Can I offer you a date by some chance? I'm good. Weren't you literally just about to ask yourself that on a date? Well, yeah, because, well, no, yeah, I... Here's a fun drinking game. Take a shot every time an engine gets thrown off. Just gets thrown at a wall and absolutely wailed on. You'd be dead. I often help with the repairs of those. And that's another shot. But he hit the floor. Yeah, that'll show him. Oh yeah, right, whatever happened to Percy? I wonder where he's at. Over here. Can't just... You know, I often help with engines that often get stuck. What's your name again? Yeah, that'll show him. We've don't say you're a mess to women. I haven't even done anything. I haven't done... What are you doing? We're sending you off. You can't just... No, this is goodbye. This is goodbye. This is just... Can I offer you a date in this trying time? Feels like I tried every single girl with no success. Where's my guardian angel when you need it? Alright, not here. I'm assuming we don't matter then, actually. You do, actually. So I'm just gonna just take my prize and finally leave with a W before something happens. Because Lord knows something will happen. That'll just ruin me. Absolutely. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm ending a Valentine's Day special with a W. Unbelievable, I know, go away. Ah. And now I could relax with 2 girlfriends, so actually, like, look, all I'm saying is I'm finally having a good Valentine's Day, and there's nothing you can, well, why did it feel transparent there for a second? It wouldn't. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you're having a good Valentine's Day. I don't know, I'm doing Thomas easily does this. Yeah, no, why do you think I'm packing? Well, I'm also packing. Well, good to know we're both sort of, you know, could solve a good Valentine's Day, right? Any takers? I have metallic paint.